Once it's clean, you just have this perfect uniform growth around the edges. So how frequently do we tumble? That's a great question. The answer is it changes to do with the seasons. And ultimately, it actually changes to do with the sun. The sun actually gives most of its energy to the planet is through phytoplanktons. And oysters feed off those plankton and the small food, the algae. So during different times of the year, we have different sun, and that means that there's different amounts of food in the water. Now you're like, why is food important for tumbling? So food is important for how quickly the oyster will regenerate after it's been tumbled.
What do you think about wintertime tumbling?
I guess it just depends on where you're at in the world. Sometimes it's warmer in certain places. If the water temperature is warm enough, it's safe to tumble them and put them back if they're big enough. Sometimes the oysters are just big enough. The larger they are, the safer it is, I'd say.
That's a good point. So what is the potential harm in tumbling them during the winter time? Why is that not a good thing?
Because there's not as much growth when it gets colder, when the water temperature gets colder. Water in the wintertime is one reason why you want to be careful about tumbling your oysters. And also, if they get chipped with less food, they might not heal properly.
So they won't be able to close when completely with that chip.
Mm-hmm, right.
Nice.
The seal might be broken.
Nice.